All right, guys, let's unbox this gardening toolkit together. All right, so the first thing we have here is a nice bag to put everything in. It's super cute. Lots of pockets for all of the tools. We have some gloves in here. That's really nice. Keep your hands protected. We have a spray bottle. And now we have all of our gardening tools here. So let's see. Here we go. These have this gorgeous wooden handle. Sturdy. This nice stainless steel. Go. Nice little safety feature there. And of course, last but not least, a nice little kneeling pad for yourself. So this comes with everything you need for your gardening.